MobTech Learning Community.
In a previous MobTech Learning Community session, we explored the use of sliders to transform polygons in GeoGebra. One of the teachers requested a recorded tutorial to help him revise the process while practicing independently. In this short video, we will walk through the steps of creating a slider and using it to dynamically change the number of sides of a polygon. Welcome! Let us begin by creating a slider. I select the slider tool and place it on the workspace. I name the slider N because it will control the number of sides of our polygon. I then set the minimum value and maximum value before clicking OK. Next, I use the input bar to create a polygon connected to the slider. Notice that instead of entering a fixed number of sides, I use the variable n. This means the polygon will automatically respond whenever the slider value changes. Now comes the exciting part. As I move the slider, observe how the shape changes. When n is equal to 3, we have a triangle. Increasing the value gives us a square, then a pentagon, and then a hexagon. Keep watching. As the number continues to increase, the polygon gains more sides and begins to look smoother. Eventually, the shape starts resembling a circle. This helps learners understand the relationship between polygons and circles through this exploration. Instead of simply showing learners different polygons, we can allow them to discover the pattern themselves. They can observe how the number of sides affects the appearance of the shape and make their own conclusions. Dear teachers, using sliders in GeoGebra transforms mathematics into an interactive learning experience. Through simple exploration, learners can visualize concepts, identify patterns, and develop deeper understanding. Thank you for learning with MobTech Learning Community, where we learn, explore, and grow through mobile technology. Let me ask you, what do you think would happen if we continue increasing the number of sides even further? Please share in the comments section.
GeoGebra, yeah, we're learning together at the Teachers Community.